What's the meaning of Canada Day? Canada Day. Canada Day.
Canada Day. Canada Day. Canada Day is the national holiday of Canada. It is celebrated on July 1 every year and commemorates the anniversary of the enactment of the British North America Act of 1867, which unified the colonies of Canada, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick into a single entity called Canada. The day is marked by parades, fireworks, concerts, and other festivities across the country. It is a time for Canadians to come together and celebrate their shared history, culture, and values, as well as their country's achievements and progress.